Welcome back to Miss Diaz at the channel with me, Miss Diaz. Previously, we talked about the structure of an essay, and then we know already what is an essay, and then the body parts of an essay. Okay, now we will go to the topic of outlining an essay. Okay, previously also we talked about thesis statement. Okay, how to identify thesis statement and then how to write a thesis statement. And then let's go to the outlining an essay. Maybe your first question will be, what is outlining? Is that an outline? Is that a line or something? Okay, before you go further with your imagination or something, okay, I will tell you about the definition of the outline, and then I will tell you also about the purpose of making an outline, how to write an outline, and evaluating an outline. Okay, let's start. Yeah, an outline is a list of information that you will put in an essay. Okay, this is list of information. Okay, your plan before you write your essay. An outline begins with the essay's thesis statement. Okay, you start your outline by your essay thesis statement. That's why previously we talked a lot about thesis statement, because before you go to your outline, you need to decide what is your thesis statement. Then an outline shows the organization of the essay. Okay, the outline shows the organization of the essay. An outline tells what idea you will discuss, shows which ideas come first, second, and so on. So you know that which idea should you write first and which idea should go after that. Okay, by this outline you will have like guideline before you write your essay. And the last, an outline ends with the essay's conclusion. Okay, you start by thesis statement, and then after that you end with an essay's conclusion. That's an outline. And then maybe you ask me why we should have an outline before writing an essay. Okay, writing an outline before you write your essay will show you what to write before you actually begin writing. Okay, and then outline helps you to make your essay well organized and clearly focused. Okay, well organized and clearly focused. Okay, so if you don't have any outline, that's okay, but your essay will be kind of not that well organized and not that focused. And then the third, by writing an outline, you will keep uh, yourself from forgetting any important points. Okay, you will not forget because you have already the outline, the guideline of your writing. Okay, that's the purpose of writing the outline. Okay, when we talk about outline, we can imagine your skeleton. Okay, have you ever saw your see your skeleton? Okay, although you do not see it, it support your body. Okay, this outline, this skeleton support your body. In the same way, although the readers do not see your outline, making an outline in advance will support your essay by providing its structure. So although the reader never see your outline, you need to write your outline, because this outline will make your essay stronger, more have a good shape. Okay, and then your next question will be how to make an outline. Is this you said before, outline is a list of our idea before writing an essay, so we make a list like that. Yes, you are right, it can be a list like this is the example of an outline. Yeah, the title is don't support nuclear energy. Okay, we have here the thesis statement. After that, the body. Okay, here the supporting points, and then the details, and also the concluding concluding paragraph, the main idea of concluding paragraph. Okay, how to make? First, go through the process of choosing a topic, gathering ideas, and editing before you go to write your outline. Okay, don't please do the pre-writing steps before you go for your outline. Okay, it's a must. Okay, because outline is not a part of pre-writing. That's the outline is the next step after that. Okay, before you go drafting, you go for your outline. And second, show your ideas by numbering them with several number formats. For example, your main idea, you write it down like this with Roman numerals. Okay, like this. This is called Roman numerals. Do like this for the main idea. Okay, write this first, the main idea of each paragraph. Okay, here the writer have 5 main ideas, means that the writer will have kind of 5 paragraphs to be developed. And the next, write the main parts of essay before you go for the details. Okay, write this one first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, before you go to the details. Okay, write this all first, don't stop. For example, in the second main idea, okay, don't stop here, very expensive, and then after that continue to this one, A, B, 1, 2, 3. No, just go like make the main idea first, all of the main ideas, and after that, after you finish all of the main idea, then you move to the supporting points of your main ideas, like that. Okay, and then fill in more information for your body paragraphs with different numbering format like before. For example, you use Roman letters like A, B, C, capital Roman letters like A, B, C, like this. Okay. After you've done with your main idea of each paragraph. Okay. Then give detail for your supporting points by using another numbering format. For example, Arabic numerals like 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, give details. After supporting points, you have details. Okay, you will have questions. Should I have details for each supporting points? Okay, here I have notes that not every supporting point will have details. Okay, and some points will have several. Okay, so there is no kind of a fixed rule that said that you should have what we call it details for each of your supporting points. No, okay, you can have no at all, or you can have several details for each supporting points. Okay, and it is not important to have same numbers of details for every supporting points. For example, in the second, the body, this one, the second one, A, B, for B, we have 3 here. For paragraph 3, we have point A, we have 2 here, 2, 3, 3, 2. Or you should not have the same number of detail for every supporting points. Okay, it can be randomly. The most important thing is that the details support your supporting points, and your supporting points also support the main idea. That's the most important thing. Okay, you don't think a lot about the numbers. Okay, but it's better to make it balanced. Maybe that's all about how to make an outline, okay? But before you go and make your outline, I have one more thing to remember. Evaluating an outline. After you write down your uh, outline, and then after that, you will go to the draft. But before you start writing your essay, your draft, the first draft, check your outline for organization, support, and topic development. Okay, whether the organization is already good, or the support and topic development already support the main idea. If it's possible, it's better to have a friend or instructor, or your teacher, your lecturer, to check your outline too. Okay, not only your draft. Okay, your outline should be checked, I think, to make it better before you write down your draft. Okay, here the example of checklist that you need to check for your outline. Okay, this is about organization, whether your paragraphs in the right order or not, supporting points and details in the right order or not. Okay, for support, you can talk about the main idea related to the thesis statement, each supporting detail, and then the details. If it's kind of mostly check, it means that you have already a good outline. But if only some of this criteria check, means that you need to look back to your outline and revise it. Okay, maybe that's all about an outline. Let me remind you about the previous video about supporting of an essay. How to develop an essay. You have done an exercise there about how to make a topic statement, right? Sorry, thesis statement. Okay. In that video, you have comment on the comment box below the video about which topics, once again, which thesis statement that you choose from that exercise. After that, you write it down there in the comment box, and after that I want you to write down also the outline for your thesis statement. Okay, I'm waiting for your outline. Let's see whether you understand this topic or not by type down your outline on the comment box below. Okay, I'm waiting for your outline. Okay, but while waiting for or writing your outline, maybe you can go like, comment, and subscribe this video, or share it to your friend. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to come back again in this channel, Miss Dhias RD. Bye bye.